Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, rear air, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, panic alarm. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.